Grace, happy birthday. Sana naman na ikaw ay madaming birthday na dumating. Alagaan mo ang sarili mo. Hindi na tayo na bata. Katulad ko, 83 na ako. Alagaan mo din ang nanay tatay mo ha. Mga bata. Lalo na yung apo mo maganda at marikit. Na katulad mo rin. Ha? Oh. Wala ako sasabihin kundi happy birthday. More birthday to come. Good health. And God bless you. More blessing. I love you. Happy birthday again. Okay?
Happy birthday, Grace. May have many more and many more to come, but not many more grandkids yet. Okay? Enjoy your day. Enjoy everyone. Thank you. Bye.
Happiest
Happy birthday!
birthday, Grace. Wishing you all the best, good health, more blessing, more birthday to come. At sana'y maging masaya ka lagi.
God bless you!
God bless you always. We love you.
Ate Grace, happy birthday! Ano pa?
Ako naman, Ate Grace, happy birthday. Ang wish namin sa'yo, lagi kang malusog, masigla, masaya, at anumang dumating na problema o suliranin ay kakayanin mo. Lagi kang, wala lang, baliwalain mo lang. Basta ang masaya,
Happy
at
lang.
ang mga bata, alam kong lagi kang mahal. Kung may maalaga at mapagmahal, mahalin mo, bigyan mo ng magandang buhay lahat, at ang iyong mga nanay at tatay, lagi mo silang agabay at patnubayan, at bigyan ka ng malakas na kalusugan, at lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan. Ingatan mo ang sarili mo, huwag mong pababayaan. Baka makakita ka pa ng pugit, mabait, mayaman, matandang, madaling mamatay. Thank you. Happy birthday,
Happy
Grace.
birthday!
Joke lang. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Love.
Hi Grace, happy birthday. Lapit ng birthday mo. Ingat lang ha, ingat ang katawan. At sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo. At lagi kayo diyang mag-ingat. Ang iyong apo, mga bata, ingat kayo dyan. Hanggang dito na lang Grace. At marami pang birthday sana ang dumating sa iyo. Happy birthday. I love you.
Birthday,
Happy birthday, Grace. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Grace.
Happy birthday, Grace!
Love you. Ingat. More birthdays to come.
Yes, uwi na ikaw!
Happy birthday, Ate Grace!
God bless po!
Hi Ate Grace! More birthdays to come and pwede ka na mag-asawa, 50 ka na.
Ate Gracia, more candles to blow, and wish you good health and all the love in the world. We love you, we miss you.
And happy birthday, Ninang Grace.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Ate
Ate
Grace.
And go.
Happy 50th birthday, Ate Grace! We wish you all the best in life.
God bless!
We love you!
Happy birthday, Grace! Your 50th birthday. I hope you enjoy your celebrations. Ang sabi nga nila, ang 50 daw ay hindi lang isang numero, kundi isang tagumpay at magandang alaala. Cheers! And happy birthday ulit! And regards to everyone. Bye-bye!